This is video part 4 of the mystery crochet along bag pattern. I hope you're enjoying it so far. This is the last video. We're going to find out everything you need to know and the mystery in this video. Let's get started. Thank you for coming back and joining me for part 4 of our mystery crochet along September crochet bag pattern. We are now ready. We finished. We did the base of the bag. We did the secret surprise section inside the base of the bag. We did the walls of the bag, and now I'm ready to show you the straps. And then after the straps, I will reveal the surprise in this project. Okay, so like I said before, at the end of the last round, you do not want to fasten off. So we're positioned in the middle of a corner, and we're going to chain 40 and slip stitch to the next corner. Okay, now we're going to chain 40 and slip stitch back to the previous corner. Bjorn. You jealous? You want to be on the camera? I know. I'm almost done. Okay, so we chain 40. We'll turn our work now to just slip stitch back into that first corner. And then we'll do this one more time, chain 40. He wants this space. Okay, so we did another chain 40 and we'll slip stitch back into the second corner. Whoops. Okay, so now we have 3 chain 4. Now we have 3 chain 40 straps, and we're going to turn our work one more time, and working around all 3 straps, we're going to single crochet 60 stitches. And because we're working around the straps, we can slide these over to make more room when we need it. If you wanted to make longer straps, you could make your chains longer. You would just want all 3 of them to be the same length, and then you'll want to do a little bit of extra single crochets around them. So like we did 40 chains and then 60 single crochets, so you want to add like a third more of whatever you did for your chains. We're at, what did we say, 45 here now? Okay, and then you just want to ease those around so that they're all nice and smooth and even. And then once you finish your last single crochet, you're going to slip stitch once again into that chain 3 space of the corner and fasten off. Our first strap is completed. Okay, so you just want to repeat this from this corner to this corner for your second strap. We'll join with the slip stitch here, chain 40 slip stitch, chain 40 slip stitch, chain 40 slip stitch, then 60 single crochets back to here and slip stitch to join, and that's it. Okay, who's ready to see the surprise now? So here's our finished bag. And remember, we had a mystery in the bottom where we joined 2 motifs on 3 sides. So let's now fold our bag to the inside. So we'll grab the base and pull it so the bag is now inside out. And you'll remember that we have one side open there. Well, what this is a pocket so that you can fold your bag up, tuck it inside the pocket when not in use. So all you need to do is fold, once it's inside it out so you can see the pocket, we're going to fold the bag in thirds like that. And then roll the bag up from the handles until we get close to the pocket. Okay, so now we see the pocket here. We've got our pocket hole, and we'll now fold the pocket back inside it out. And now we have a little storage pouch for keeping our bag. Isn't that fun? You could do this with any motifs if you wanted, and any stitch pattern for the walls, but I thought it'd be super fun to try this really cool technique in the simplest of stitch patterns, the granny stitch. Please let me know in the comments if you enjoyed this pattern and if you would like more mystery crochet along projects. If you have any questions at all, please feel welcome to leave them for me in the comments. Let us make time to create, share, and inspire today and every day. I'll see you in the next video.